Yum yum.
Ooh.
That's supposed to be cereal.
That's very good. Oh yeah? Here. Hey.
She was looking right in the camera too. How much?
Such a ham. Such a ham. It's like a dog eating peanut butter.
Oh.
That was a big girl bite. There you go. Well, you want more? Yeah. Mmm.
You see that's right? Is that on it?
Yeah. Here. You're a ham. You know that? You want some more? Mm-hmm.
This side.
She's such a ham. Look at her. She's following your camera. She knows what that is. Here?
It's some yucky stuff, little girl.
No, it's yummy. Yummy. I'll have to give you some juice to wash it down. Go into the door.
You gonna stop it?
Yeah, just push Brian.
Hold on, Mill.